In this video I'm going to show you how to archive files, photos, videos, folders, documents and all that kind of stuff with WinRAR. So that being said, let's start from where to get WinRAR. For those who don't have WinRAR already, you can purchase it from here and also you'll have a free trial. So this is the WinRAR official website, you can buy it from here. So that being said, let's close it for now and I will show you how to archive something. I will open my computer and I have something in my D drive and right here. I would like to archive this video and this photo, and also I would like to archive this folder, but as you can see they are located in different spots, and if you'd like to select them all, you will not select only those files which you want to archive. Basically you will select all of them, so you have to select what folders you want to archive. So to select just the files which you want to archive, you have to hold the Ctrl on your keyboard, and now while you hold the Ctrl you have to click on the folder which you want to archive. Alright, let's scroll down. Also I will hold Ctrl now, click on this photo, hold Ctrl again, click on this video. Okay, and as you can see only the files which I want to archive are selected. Now you have to right click on one of the file, and now you'll find WinRAR right here and add to archive, and this menu will pop up. You will have to name this archive. Let's name it just archive. I'm not very inspired this morning, so I'll just name it like that. Okay, now archive format, you have to mark it with RAR. RAR is already marked by default. If you want to select zip you can go with that, but in my opinion RAR is better than the zip format, and a lot of people I'm sure are on my side. Alright, so make sure RAR is selected. Compression method, by default it's on normal. You can also modify this to the best. Alright, and on the right side at archiving options, also I recommend you to mark this one, create solid archive. This setting will help WinRAR in case you have many similar files or photos or videos, and this will help the compression. So that being said, now also press the browse button to select where to save this archive. I will save it this archive on my desktop. You can save it wherever you want. Press on save, and now let's press on OK. And all these files are being compressed right now, and the time depends on the size of the files which you are archiving. Alright, we can close it for now, and this is the archive on my desktop, and inside here you can see all the files which I just archived. So this is how to archive something, how to compress something with WinRAR. I hope this helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.